Welcome to CyberPros Metasploit tutorial from Nmap scan to remote shell in 60 seconds. First, we'll start by updating our package lists to ensure we can download the latest versions of the tools we need for our assessment. Next, we'll install Nmap for network scanning and the Metasploit Framework, our exploitation tool, using a single non-interactive command. With our tools installed, we'll perform a reconnaissance scan using Nmap to identify open ports and running services on our target system. The SV flag helps us determine the exact version of each service, which is crucial for finding a matching exploit. Based on our Nmap results showing a vulnerable VSFTPD version, we'll now launch the Metasploit Framework console and use the search command to find a matching exploit module. Now that we've found the correct exploit/unix/ftp/vsftpd234 backdoor, we'll select it with the use command and then run show options to see what parameters we need to configure. Finally, we'll configure the exploit by setting RHOSTS to our target hostname. With the target set, we execute the run command to launch the attack, which will open a command shell on the remote system. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.